Hello students, welcome back to your own digital learning station, Proteins Coaching English class. Today we are going to discuss a comprehension for the classes 7 to 10. This comprehension will be helpful for all the students of ICSE, CBSE and State Board students. Here we will tell you about a special trick which will be helpful for answering all the questions and it will be beneficial for scoring 100% marks in any comprehension. We will be providing you the answer sheet here as well, which will be helping you in verifying your answers. So we'll suggest you to read this comprehension entirely and after that write the answers of the questions of your own. Afterwards you will be verifying your answers or commenting in the comment box. So let's start the comprehension first. Read the passage given below. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It covers an area of nearly 2.8 million square miles, which is about the size of the continent of Australia. The Amazon rainforest gets its life from the majestic Amazon River, the world's second largest river, which runs directly through the heart of the region. The rainforest itself is simply the drainage basin for the river and its many tributaries. The vast forest itself consists of four layers, each featuring its own ecosystem and specially adapted plants and animals. The forest floor is the lowest region. Since only 2% of the sunlight filters through the top layers to the understory, very few plants grow here. The forest floor, however, is rich with rotting vegetation and the bodies of dead organisms, which are quickly broken down into nutrients and integrated into the soil. Tree roots stay close to these available nutrients and decomposers such as millipedes and earthworms use nutrients for food. The understory is a layer above the forest floor. Much like the forest floor, only about 2 to 5% of the sunlight reaches this shadowy realm. Many of the plants in the understory have large, broad leaves to collect as much sunlight as possible. The understory is so thick that there is very little air movement. As a result, plants rely on insects and animals to pollinate their flowers. The layer above the understory is the canopy. This is where much of the action in the rainforest occurs. Many canopy leaves have especially adapted leaves which form drip tips. Drip tips allow water to follow off the leaves which prevents mosses, fungi and lichens from occupying the leaves. Leaves in the canopy are very dense and filter about 80% of the sunlight. The canopy is where the wealth of the rainforest's fruit and flowers grow. Bromeliads-cup-like plants provide drinking pools for animals and breeding locations for tree frogs. Now we'll move directly to the questions. Here are the questions. Why is the Amazon's rainforest called the world's largest rainforest? Question number 2. What is the world's second largest river? Third question. How important is the Amazon River for the Amazon rainforest? Fourth one. Why do very few plants grow in the understory of the rainforests? Number 5. Why is there very little air movement in the understory? 6. How are bromeliads useful for animals and tree frogs? Number 7. Find out the word from the passage which means grand. So let's directly move to the questions and their answers. Now students, we'd like to suggest you that you have watched all the questions. Now you try to write the answers. After that, verify it with the given answers and you will find your improvement too. Here is the trick that we'd like to share with you is that for answering any questions, you have to read the passage for 2 to 3 times. After reading, try to underline the key points which you find important in the passage. After that, read the question, underline those keywords once again, and try to sum up your answer. After that, frame your own answer. This is the trick, student, which we are supposed to follow while framing any answers of any comprehension of your board. So let's start this question answer. Here is the first one. Why is the Amazon's rainforest called the world's largest rainforest? Answer. The Amazon's rainforest called the world's largest rainforest because it covers an area of nearly 2.8 million square miles. Second question. What is the world's second largest river? It's very easy. The Amazon is the world's second largest river. Third one, how important is the Amazon River for the Amazon rainforest? Answer. The Amazon rainforest gets its life from the Amazon River. Fourth one, why do very few plants grow in the understory of the rainforest? Answer. Only 2% of the sunlight filters through the top layers to the understory. As a result, very few plants grow here. Number 5. Why is there very little air movement in the understory? Answer. There is very little air movement in the understory because the understory is so thick and also covered with large broad leaves. Number 6. How are bromeliads useful for animals and tree frogs? Answer. The bromeliads are useful for animals and tree frogs as it provides drinking pools. Number 7 and the last question, find the word from the passage which means grand. Actually, we are here to write the synonym as per the given passage. Student, while you are writing the synonym or the same meaning of the word provided in the comprehension, you should write the passage meaning or the word which is supposed to mean the same as given in the passage. Don't write the literal meaning, it may be wrong as per the passage. So you are supposed to write the perfect meaning which is compatible as per the passage. So here the word from the passage which means grand is majestic. So students, finally we have come to the end. We have discussed all the important tricks and the perfect and precise question answer. I hope that you have enjoyed throughout this video. If you find this content helpful and want more helpful content regarding this topic, then like, share and subscribe. Your little motivation will help us a lot to provide you more helpful content for the next time. Thanks for watching, student. Have a nice time. Don't forget to check the description box. Here you will get the important links which will help you to connect to other important topics as well, and you can check the playlist. Here you will get the content which is designed as per your board and the subjects. Thanks for watching, student. Goodbye.